Hi friends, in the previous video we have discussed the meaning of public debt, the definitions of public debt, sources of public debt and classification of public debt. In this video we will analyze what is the meaning of redemption of public debt and what are the methods of redemption of public debt and what are the advantages of public debt redemption. I am Purushottam Bhatt, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Dr. Dayananda Pai P. Satish Pai, Government First Grade College, Car Street, Mangalore. What is redemption of public debt? Redemption of public debt means it is nothing but repayment of the debt. When the government borrows, it promises to pay the principal amount and interest. By redeeming or repaying the debt properly and periodically, the faith and credit worthiness of the government increases. Now we will discuss what are the methods of public debt redemption. Number 1. Refunding. It is issue of new bonds and securities by the government to repay the matured loans. In refunding, short-term securities of the government are replaced by long-term securities. It is a method where only postponement of debt is done. Rather, it is actually not repaying the debt. Second one is conversion. It is converting a loan of higher interest to a loan of lower interest. It is changing the existing loan before maturity into a new loan, and it will only reduce the burden of debt. That is called conversion. Third method of debt redemption is sinking fund. It is the most systematic and best method of public debt redemption. Sinking fund is created by the government where a part of public revenue is set aside to pay off the debt at maturity. Fourth one is capital levy. Capital levy is recommended by Professor Dalton, Professor Ricardo and Professor Pigu. What is capital levy? It refers to heavy tax on property and wealth. It is one-time tax, not levied again and again. It is very useful to pay off heavy debts, for example, war debts. Fourth one is terminal annuities. What is terminal annuity? It refers to settlement of public debt in installments. Public authorities or government clear off a part of public debt every year by issuing terminable annuities to bondholders which mature annually. Thus, the burden of debt goes on diminishing annually and by the time of maturity it is fully paid off. Next one is additional taxation. It is a very simple way of debt repayment. When a new tax is imposed, it redistributes the income by transfer of resources from the taxpayer to the bondholders. But it creates burden on the future generations. Seventh one is utilization of surplus revenue. Repayment of public debt through surplus budget is the best way to repay the public debt. But it is very difficult to have surplus budget because modern governments have resorted to deficit budget as they have more expenditure than revenue because they have to spend for various welfare programs. Eighth one, reducing the rate of interest. When a government suffers from financial crisis or has huge fiscal deficit, it may pass an ordinance to reduce the rate of interest on the loans it borrowed. Generally, this method is not followed in normal circumstances, instead, only used when no other alternative is available. Ninth one is repudiation. It is refusing to repay the debt by the government. This method was followed by USA and USSR after 1917 revolution. But this method shakes the confidence of public in government and it is undesirable. So these are all the methods of public debt redemption. Now we will look into what are the various advantages or uses of repayment of debt or debt redemption. Number one, it increases confidence of the people in government. Secondly, it discourages extravagant expenditure of the government. Third one, it reduces the cost of debt management. Fourth one, it saves future generation from the burden of public debt. 5. Its fiscal resources may be diverted towards private investment. It saves the government from bankruptcy. 7. It becomes easy for the government to float loans in the future. And it is a very useful tool to curb the deflation. Friends, in this video, we have discussed what is public debt redemption, what are the methods of public debt redemption, and what are the advantages of public debt redemption. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, one and all.